HipoBook, powerful bookkeeping software. This video will teach you how to add new expenses and manage expense categories, a step-by-step guide for adding expenses. First, add the accounting section's expense category. Give the category a name and maintain the active state. Now click the Submit button. An expense category would be established in this manner. If there are any needs that need to be changed, you may also edit by utilizing the Edit button. As a result, an expense category was created. To add an expense, go to the Expenses section, click Add New Expense, give your expense a title, and choose the vendor from the drop-down menu. If you need help adding vendors, click the I button to watch a detailed video. As for the expense category, I'll be choosing the one that I recently created while filming this video. I'm merely adding a random figure for the amount and setting the tax to 4%. The HipoBook system will now automatically calculate the entire expense. I've also chosen today as the payment date. Recall that there are 3 ways to pay: online, by check, and with cash. It will assist you to monitor and make your bookkeeping in a more consistent manner. For cash, you may include the expense reference. For checks, you can add the check number. For online transactions, you can add the transaction number. As an example, I've added 0001 here as an expense reference. Feel free to add more based on your needs. I'll then maintain the status as active, and you can add any printed invoices or bills for the expense receipt based on your needs. Although, as of right now, I won't be adding anything to the expense receipt. If you need to retain a note, you can enter one in the notes box. And after that, using the Add option will generate an expense. The dashboard section is where you can keep an eye on your spending. Thank you for watching.